Hey guys, welcome back to Ledford. I'm Serein, and here is your postpartum workout level 2. This workout is going to be 5 exercises for 15 seconds on and 15 seconds off. Then you're going to repeat it if you feel up to it for 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And if you're still feeling up to it, you're gonna repeat all 5 exercises for 45 seconds on, 45 seconds off. And then you're gonna do it for 1 minute on, 1 minute off. Now, if you're feeling winded after the 15 seconds on, 15 seconds off, no worries. Come back to it tomorrow or 2 days from now and see if you can do the 15-second round and add in the 30-second round. And true to new mom form, my baby is being fed back there. My dog is entertaining himself down here, and my husband is coaching me. So, true new mom fashion, postpartum life. The goal here is, like level 1, you're going to build up to full 1-minute rounds of these exercises. If it takes you a couple weeks, a couple days, whatever it is, at your own time. You're a new mom, just getting the 15 seconds in is awesome. Without further ado, here are your exercises. Congratulations, you have finished the exercise with your 15-second round. Now, repeat doing 30 seconds, and after that, take a little break and repeat the workout until you can reach 1 minute. The goal here is to be able to repeat this entire 5 exercise routine 4 times to reach 1 minute. Once you've done that and you feel strong and good, it's time for you to level up.